Are new details in the case of 3 men who are preparing for a new trial. Just 10 days ago, we showed you this video as the men walked out of prison for the first time in decades. A judge ruled there were enough problems with the case and they deserved a new trial. Chief Investigator Ron Regan, you broke the story about the questions in this case, and you have just learned there is a new twist.
Well, that's right, and here it is, a 20-page appeal filed by prosecutors that will put the brakes on a new trial for months. They were accused of murder. Now, in an exclusive interview, one of the defendants said he remains hopeful despite the appeal.
I just walk with God. I just let God direct my path. I knew if it wasn't for him, we wouldn't be here right now.
Eugene Johnson was among 3 defendants granted a new trial. Judge Nancy Margaret Russo ruled the prosecutor in the 1995 case failed to disclose key evidence and was guilty of misconduct.
It's been a nightmare. You know, what was done to us at the age that was done to, it was definitely a nightmare.
This was the scene the night of the crime in East Cleveland. Johnson's mother remembers her son's arrest.
It's like death. That's what it seemed like to me, death. It was very hard, very hard. My son was 17 at the time, and it was a struggle.
10 days ago, Johnson and his co-defendants were released, and while required to remain on electronic monitoring inside the home, he's free from a prison cell.
Everything that freedom got to offer, you can't take it for granted. The smallest precious things, just going to your refrigerator, eating what you want to eat.
Well, in this appeal, prosecutors said Judge Nancy Margaret Russo's granting of that new trial was, quote, a clear abuse of discretion based on innuendo and information never submitted as evidence. It could take months before the appeals court rules on whether to uphold her ruling. Live in the newsroom, I'm Chief Investigator Ron Regan.
Okay, Ron.